Hello students, welcome back to Prakash CBSE. Today we will see exercise 5.3 Roman number 2. So there are three options. I'm going to teach all those three options. So let's get into the question. Here we have second question. Find the sums given below. So we have to find out sum of these numbers, but in between some numbers are missing. So we have to add all these numbers using formula. So as I given in the beginning, two formulas for Sn. One is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. The other one is when the last term is given, one more formula given, Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus l. Okay. So let's take the from the given data. First term a is equal to 7 and common difference d equal to, we know formula, a2 minus a1. Just apply, then you will get convert this mixed fraction into improper, multiply and add. 2 tens are 20, 20 plus 1, 21 by 2 minus 7. So take denominator 1 and cross multiply. So you will get 21 minus 1. Sorry, here 2 should come. Then 21 minus 7, how much you will get? Then this also will change, sorry, 2 7s are now, it's a 14. Then 21 minus 14, 7. 7 by 2 is the common difference. Okay, so we got now first term and the common difference. Now let's use the Sn formula, but in the Sn formula, here we have a last term also it's given. So let's take here in the given data an, or we can say l, last term 84. So when the last term is given, we can use formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now a first term we know and l last term is given, but n number of terms we don't know how many, because in between some terms are missing. So using nth term formula, means first topic concept, we can find out number of terms. So let's find out. To find n value, use nth term formula. Okay, so if you use nth term formula, we know nth term an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is the last term, it's given that 84, a value 7 plus n we don't know, common difference 7 by 2. Okay, just take plus opposite, then you will get 84 minus 7 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. So 84 minus 7, so you will get 77 equal to n minus 1 into 7 by 2. Take 1 by 1 opposite, this division 2 comes here, multiplication, this 7 is division. So 77 into 2 by 7 equal to n minus 1. Let's cancel 7 ones are 7 11s are. So 22 equal to n minus 1. Now n equal to minus 1 opposite plus, so 22 plus 1, so n equal to 23. Means number of terms we got now 23. Now let's apply to the Sn formula to find out sum. Okay, so we have the formula Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l. Now n number of terms 23 by 2, value of a 7, l value 84. Now 23 by 2, just add this, you will get 101. Okay, either you divide here itself or multiply this 2, and then also you can divide by 2, or if you multiply this 2 you will get 2093 by 2. If you divide also okay, otherwise you can leave it. So yes, n value 23. So sum of 23 terms is 2093 by 2. Hope that you understand this. Let's move to the next option. So here we have the second option, 34 plus 32 plus 30 plus up to last term 10. Okay, let's take in the given data solution. A value 34 and common difference d is equal to 32 minus 34, which is minus 2. So d value you got minus 2, common difference, and last term l is given 10. Okay, it's given in the question. AN, or you can take L also. Now let's find out the number of terms, then we can use the sum of nth term formula. So to find out number of terms, we can use nth term formula. AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So AN is the last term. 10 plus A value, we have 34. Sorry, this AN last term is 10 equal to value of A 34 plus n minus 1 into D minus 2. So 10, take plus 34 opposite, minus 34 equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. If you subtract this, you will get minus 24 equal to n minus 1 minus 2. So multiplication minus 2 opposite, it will come to division, equal to n minus 1, minus minus cancel, to 12 sa. So 12 equal to n minus 1, then n equal to minus 1 opposite plus 1, so we will get 13. So number of terms n equal to, you got now 13. Now let's find out the sum. Okay, here I didn't leave the space, so I'm going to explain here. So let's use formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L. So S number of terms n, we got 13. So 13 by 2, value of A 34 plus last term 10. So 13 by 2, 44, cancel this 22 times. So 13 into 22. If you multiply this, you will get 286. Is the sum of 13 terms answer. Hope that you understand. Let's solve the last option. Sorry, here I didn't leave the space, so that only I did there. Now let's take third. Now here we have minus 5 is the first term. A is equal to minus 5. Common difference D equal to second term minus first term. This minus is in the formula. Okay. So D equal to minus 8, minus into minus plus. So D equal to minus 3. Also given that AN or L, last term is given how much? Minus 230. So using nth term formula, let's find out number of terms first. So nth term formula, we have AN equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN it's given minus 230. A value minus 5 plus minus 1 into D value minus 3. Take this minus 5 opposite, then plus 5 equal to 1 into minus 3. So subtract this, you will get minus 225 equal to minus 1 into minus 3. So multiplication minus 3, take opposite, it comes to division, minus minus cancel. So divide this 225 by 3. 3 1s are 3 7s are 21, 1 remainder, 3 5s are 15. So 75 equal to n minus 1, n equal to 75 plus 1, n equal to 76. So number of terms we got it 76. Now let's find out sum. So Sn equal to, the first formula also you can use, because that first formula is n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into D. All the values are known, so you can use that also, or if you are using this also fine. Since its last term is given, so that we are using this formula, A plus L. So yes, number of terms 76 equal to 76 by 2, A value minus 5, L value minus 230. So yes, 76 equal to, just cancel this, 2 3s are 6, 1 remainder, 2 8s are 16. So 38. So both are negative, so you can add, you will get minus 235. So multiply this 38 into minus 235, you will get minus 8930 is the sum of 76 terms. Hope that you understand and don't get any confusion for the first Roman and the second Roman. First Roman, that number of terms n value is given. Here n value is not given, last term is given. Using nth term formula we found n value, then we substitute to the nth term formula. Okay, hope that you understand. Thank you so much for watching.